Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create and save a PowerPoint presentation into a video. So I have a PowerPoint presentation here and I'm at the Home tab. So I want to click on the Slideshow tab here, so I'm going to do that. This is the Record Slideshow tab here, and there's a drop-down menu here. So when I click on the drop-down menu here, there are two options: record from current slide or record from beginning. So I want to record from the beginning. I'll click on that, and this is the recording screen. Now on top here, this is the record button, stop, and this is the replay. This is the notes. I can click on it and I can add any notes, and this is to increase or decrease the font size. And this is the clear recording tab. I can clear my recordings here. This is the settings tab, and when I click on it, there's a drop down menu here. There's the microphone and the camera. I don't have a camera connected, but this is my microphone here. You want to make sure your mic is selected. This is the mic, and I can click on it and mute my microphone. This is the camera icon here. So to start recording, I'll click on the record button here. It gives me a countdown, and right now I'm recording. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. Bring your presentations to life with 3D, and it's recording everything that I say, and it's also recorded my mouse. And this is where I can move forward with the slides. So when I click on that, I go to the second slide. So this icon here, this is the laser pointer. When I click on it, I can point, like for example the graphs or wherever I want on the slide. This is the pen icon, and when I click on it, I can choose any one of these colors. For example, I'm going to click on red, and I can write on this. I can choose another color. This is the highlighter pen. I just have to click on it and I can highlight these words. And when I'm done, I just click on the highlighter pen again. I'll click on the pen again, and I'm going to select purple color, and I'm just going to just write on the slide. Now this is the eraser icon here. When I click on it, I can erase all of these. So as you can see here, this is the recording that is taking place, and it says recording in progress. So to stop my recording, I just have to click on stop. I can replay it here, or I can just close it. So I'm just going to close it here. And this icon shows up, and I can play it back here. So to save this PowerPoint into a video, all I have to go to is File, scroll down, click on Export, and select Create a Video. Now by default, it's at Full HD. If I click on the drop down menu, I have all these options, but I'm going to leave it as default. I'm also going to leave the second one as default also. Now I'm going to click on Create Video. Now it asks you where you want to save it, so you can choose wherever. I'm going to click on Desktop, click Save. Now under here it says Creating Video, and it's saving it as a MP4 file. So it's saving it right now. So it'll take a couple of minutes for this to be completed. So the PowerPoint has been saved into a video. It is completed. So I'm going to minimize here. So this is the video file. And when I double click on it, it opens up in the video. It is saved as an MP4 file. And I can forward it. And I can upload this to YouTube. I can email it to someone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.